5 marketing mistakes 90% of coaches make and how to avoid them. I have analyzed the marketing strategy of hundreds of coaching, and these are the 5 more common mistakes that stop them from attracting more clients and growing. So who I am? I'm Hugo. I have a marketing agency that focuses 100% on coaches. The name of my agency is Ensensia. So in this video, I will show you the 5 biggest mistakes that silently kill your visibility, trust and sales, and how to fix it. First, a reminder, why is marketing so important? So 5 points. Visibility. If people don't know you exist, they can't buy from you. Like, it's logic, but it's why social media are so powerful. Trust. People buy from brands and coaches they know and trust. So you will need to build that thanks to your strategy. Growth. Marketing brings leads, sales, and momentum. Of course, it's the objective of the marketing to bring leads for most of people. Positioning. It shows why you and not someone else. So it's something that you will need to create, how to be different, how to show that you are good in your coaching for the challenges of your audience, that you can resolve their problem, etc. And the last one, control. It gives you a predictable system, not just hope. So yeah, it's the objective to make a system like that, but not everybody is able to make that. So it's an objective to make. That was the 5 main points of the marketing, especially for coaches. So let's start directly with the mistake number 1 that I see too often. It's selling coaching instead of results. So people buy results. It's the most important thing that you need to focus on, to show the results, to talk about your audience. For example, there is a lot of coaches that say, I'm a life coach, or I help people feel better, and that is really too broad, too large. It doesn't say anything about the results that you bring. So you should say instead, for example, I help burnout moms reclaim their energy in 30 days. It's precise, it's clear, specific, and measurable. To make that, you can use the formula, I help who get results in time. And you can add thanks to or with method. It makes something of differentiation. Really important, this formula. Mistake number 2, talking to everyone. To have a wrong targeting. Speaking to everyone is speaking to no one. This is really true. You need to find a little niche and focus on them, and they're gonna feel attracted. They're gonna feel that you talk directly to them, that you're able to help them directly, not everybody. So more you are in a niche, and more people feel you are talking exactly to them, and it's really important. It's really undervalued. Pick one clear niche, speak their language, solve their exact problems. Simple, a bit more long to put it, to implement it, but it's the thing. One niche, their language, and you solve problem. Mistake 3, posting without strategy. It sounds really common to say that, but I really see too much coaches that show random pictures in their social media, quotes, inspiration, some info about them, of an event or stuff like that they make. It's really random, it's really without sense. And to don't make call to action. It's really important, and 90% of the case of the content of coaches, you don't put call to action. So why it's so important to change that? Your content should build awareness, so teach something new and bring value to your audience, to bring trust, share proof and testimonials, and conversion, so to invite to comment or DM, to make the leads get active and show their interest. The objective is to have a call with them to present more deeply your services. Yes. Mistake number 4, selling too soon. Imagine proposing in the first date. Like, it's not normal, it doesn't work. So value first, a lot of value, showing what you're able to do, how you can solve the problem of your audience, value, and engagement. So give value 80% of the time, and then sell with confidence. It should be natural. Mistake 5, the last one that I'm gonna present today, relying only on the social media. What I mean about that, it's social media, yeah, it's permit visibility, it's important to use them, it's a solution that with my clients we use, not the only one. But you need a real funnel. It is really undervaluated also that you cannot just post in social media and wait that people comment or fall in your DMs. No, it doesn't work like that. If to be efficient, you need to have a funnel, so it could be with email lists, landing page, or website. It's a bit more long to build it, so landing page could be easier in some times. And automation, important to make everything automatic. One platform versus several. What is the difference about that? So yeah, there is, you can hear everything in internet, be in all the platform, only focus in one. It really depends finally of your time, how much time you can make content, or how much you want to be involved, how much leads you need to bring to your coaching. It's really depends on that. So if you already have a lot of clients, yeah, you can focus only on one, be really into, for example, Instagram, it's the reference. Or if you are new, you really want to, or you want to start your audience online, because a lot of coaches are, I say, old school, so they are with referrals, with physical clients, not really online. You can be in several. What is important is to don't go everywhere. I think it's really that you need to remember. It's, you cannot make text content, so for example in LinkedIn, and also make long video like in YouTube, and short video in Reels and TikTok. To make all of this, it makes you lose focus. So yeah, you shouldn't make all of that. If you want, you need to be with a team that help you to with all of that, with the technique. Otherwise, you are going to lose a lot of time. It could be more efficient, so with one category, I would say. So if you want only writing, it could be only in LinkedIn, you build your account, etc. If you want to appear in the video, it's more conversational to be in a video, people are more engaged, so it could be short videos. And thanks to that, you can use them in TikTok, for Reels in Instagram, and short in YouTube. So by making that, you don't make more time, you just reuse, and the reuse is really important to make your audience more broad. So now I think you have a pretty good idea of what you need to change, what could be good for you, what are the mistakes that you shouldn't make and you are making right now maybe. So don't lose more time. Right now you need to fix your marketing and start attracting more clients. So how to do that? I put 4 steps. So first steps, in the comments, I put a link for you to make a marketing audit totally free with me or someone of my team. We are gonna identify, the second step, we are gonna identify the main challenges of your marketing, what is not working, what are the problems that we identify related with your specific personality and your mission, with everything that we saw with other coaches and our experience. So the identification of the problems, basically. Then the third step, to find solution. Again, it's free. During a call, we can give you free solutions according to what we just talked about. And then the last step is implementation. It could be by your own, or it could be with us, with my agency. So we could help you. For example, if you already have an audience and we want to increase your engagement, we could make you an emailing list and make newsletter and start talking directly to your audience with that, or could be many different things. I just give you an example. So right now you don't have any excuses, you know the main mistakes, I show you a solution. So I hope that you're gonna contact us and we are gonna work together, or I hope that at least you're gonna do it by your own. Thanks for this video, bye.